In every corner of the world, flavors are waiting to be discovered. Dishes that have evolved beyond the ordinary, perfected over generations. And today, we uncover those secrets. Where culture, tradition, and magic collide. Welcome to Dynamic Expeditions. Welcome to a brand new culinary adventure. Welcome to episode 21. I'm Aditya, and today, we are diving into the top 10 must-try foods in Japanese sushi steaming bowl. New flavors, new traditions, new culinary stories. In our last episode 20, we explored the top 10 magical places you won't believe exist in Croatia. Missed it? The link is in the description, make sure to check it out. So, let's get started with episode 21. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications bell to join us on these delicious journeys. Today, we'll explore 10 iconic Japanese foods, each unforgettable and mouth-watering. If you love traveling and experiencing cultures through food, then you are in the right place, because only on Dynamic Expeditions will you experience culinary adventures like these. For the best experience, watch in full screen. Let the colors, the aromas, and the flavors immerse you completely. Now let's begin today's culinary journey, episode 21. 10th delicious food is mochi and Japanese sweets. Description: chewy, soft rice cakes known as mochi are one of Japan's most iconic sweets. Traditionally made from glutinous rice, mochi can be filled with smooth red bean paste, fragrant matcha cream, sweet white bean paste, or even ice cream for a modern twist. Its texture is unique, soft yet slightly elastic, making every bite playful and satisfying. Mochi comes in various forms: small bite-sized balls, squares, or artistic shapes inspired by seasonal motifs, turning each piece into a miniature work of art. Presentation is key in Japanese culture, so mochi is often served on lacquered plates or in vibrant wrappers, appealing both to the eyes and the taste buds. Some are grilled lightly for a crisp exterior, dusted with kinko, roasted soybean flour, or combined with sweet sauces, making them versatile in flavor and experience. Mochi ice cream, a modern innovation from the 1990s, marries the traditional chewy texture with creamy ice cream, creating a dessert loved worldwide. History: mochi's history stretches back to the Heian period, 794 to 1185. It was not just a dessert but a sacred food, essential in religious rituals, temple offerings, and New Year celebrations. Mochi making, known as mochitsuki, involves steaming glutinous rice and pounding it rhythmically in a large wooden mortar called an usu, using heavy mallets. This process requires precise timing and coordination between two people, one pounding and one turning the rice, making it both a festive performance and a communal tradition. Over centuries, mochi evolved, leading to diverse regional varieties and innovations like dafuku, sweet-filled mochi, and mochi ice cream. Today, mochi bridges traditional Japanese culture with modern culinary creativity, celebrated both in homes and international dessert scenes. Fun facts: mochi pounding is often accompanied by rhythmic chants or calls to synchronize movements, a mesmerizing cultural ritual. Mochi ice cream, invented in the 1990s, transformed this centuries-old sweet into a global dessert phenomenon. Kagmi mochi, a special two-layered mochi, is placed in homes during New Year to symbolize prosperity and longevity. Seasonal varieties include Sakura mochi, spring, and chestnut mochi, autumn, reflecting Japan's attention to seasonality. The chewy texture is due to glutinous rice, Skilled mochi makers ensure it's perfectly elastic, soft, not sticky. Cultural importance. Mochi represents celebration, unity, and good fortune. During festivals, families gather to make mochi together, reinforcing bonds and honoring tradition. Eating mochi at New Year is believed to bring happiness and health for the coming year. Its evolution, from ceremonial food to modern dessert, highlights Japan's balance between tradition and innovation, while its artistic presentation embodies meticulous Japanese craftsmanship. Every bite of mochi connects you to centuries of Japanese tradition. Soft, chewy, and endlessly versatile, mochi captivates both locals and travelers alike. Whether part of a sacred ceremony, enjoyed at a festival, or savored as modern mochi ice cream, it remains an unforgettable culinary experience, blending history, artistry, and delight. Ninth delicious food is Wagyu and Kobe beef. Wagyu and Kobe beef are the epitome of luxury in Japanese cuisine. Known for their intense marbling, these cuts of beef literally melt in your mouth, delivering a rich, buttery, umami-packed flavor. The tenderness is unmatched, with each bite dissolving effortlessly, leaving a lingering taste that is both savory and indulgent. Wagyu can be served in multiple styles, thinly sliced for sukiyaki or shabu shabu, lightly seared on a hot grill, or crafted into luxury sushi. Each presentation highlights the delicate texture and exceptional marbling, making it a sensory masterpiece. The experience goes beyond taste, it's also about visual perfection. Chefs carefully plate Wagyu slices to showcase their glistening marbling, often adding minimal garnishes that enhance the aesthetic without overpowering the natural beauty of the meat. Every element of serving Wagyu is deliberate, temperature, timing, and cut thickness all matter to ensure the ultimate dining experience. History. Kobe beef originates from Kazima cattle in the Hyogo prefecture. These cattle are meticulously raised, fed specialized diets including grains, rice straw, and sometimes even sake mash, and occasionally massaged to enhance fat distribution. This dedication ensures the beef reaches its signature tenderness and marbling. The tradition of Wagyu dates back centuries, with local farmers and butchers developing precise breeding and care methods. Kobe beef became internationally recognized in the late 20th century as a symbol of Japanese craftsmanship, patience, and culinary artistry, representing a commitment to perfection from farm to table. Fun facts. Wagyu literally means Japanese cow and refers to specific Japanese breeds prized for flavor and marbling. A single Wagyu cow can fetch thousands of dollars, making it a rare and luxurious ingredient. Kobe beef comes with official certification to verify authenticity, emphasizing quality control. The marbling is so fine that it's often compared to white chocolate ribbons, providing a creamy, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Wagyu fat is sometimes used in sauces to enrich flavors, demonstrating its versatility beyond just the meat itself. Chefs and cattle farmers treat Wagyu preparation as an art form, combining science, tradition, and attention to detail. Cultural importance. Wagyu and Kobe beef are more than just food, they embody Japanese precision, patience, and dedication to excellence. From the careful raising of cattle to meticulous preparation by chefs, every step is a demonstration of skill and tradition. Serving Wagyu is a cultural statement, it reflects reverence for the ingredient, respect for the diner, and an appreciation for perfection in simplicity. Enjoying Wagyu is not just a meal, it's an experience of luxury, heritage, and Japanese culinary mastery. Every bite of Wagyu or Kobe beef is a luxurious journey through Japanese culture. Rich, buttery, and unforgettable, It's a meat lover's dream that balances flavor, texture, and artistry. Whether savored in a high-end restaurant, grilled at home, or enjoyed as sushi, Wagyu offers an experience that is both indulgent and culturally significant, leaving a lasting impression on taste and memory. 8th delicious food is Japanese street snacks. Japanese street snacks are a vibrant and flavorful part of the country's culinary culture. From takoyaki, golden octopus-filled balls topped with savory sauce and bonito flakes, to taiyaki, fish-shaped cakes filled with red bean paste, custard, or chocolate, and yakitori, skewered grilled chicken glazed with sweet salty tare sauce, these bites are fun, colorful, and utterly delicious. Street snacks are made for on-the-go enjoyment, perfect for exploring bustling streets, night markets, and festivals. Watching takoyaki being skillfully flipped on half-sphere griddles, taiyaki being filled in its fish-shaped mold, or yakitori sizzling over charcoal grills is a feast for the senses. Bright sauces, garnishes, and aromatic seasonings make every bite memorable. Each snack balances texture, flavor, and aroma, crispy exteriors, soft or creamy fillings, smoky grill notes, and umami-rich seasoning. The artistry in preparation highlights the creativity and playfulness of Japanese cuisine, while offering a convenient and joyful snacking experience. Japanese street snacks also embody the essence of social food culture. They are designed to be eaten while walking, chatting, and sharing, making them central to festivals and community gatherings. Vendors often specialize in one dish, perfecting techniques and recipes over years, creating flavors that are rich in tradition yet adaptable for modern palates. History. Street food culture in Japan grew during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, when small food stalls appeared outside markets, temples, and along busy streets to provide quick, affordable, and portable snacks. Takoyaki originated in Osaka in the 1930s. Taiyaki appeared in Tokyo in the early 20th century, and yakitori became a staple grilled snack across the country. Today, yate food stalls continue this legacy, offering a window into Japan's culinary past while catering to modern tastes. These snacks are deeply tied to festivals, local celebrations, and everyday street culture, reflecting how Japanese cuisine blends tradition, convenience, and artistry seamlessly. Fun facts. Tokyo alone has hundreds of yate, each with unique flavors and cooking styles. Taiyaki, shaped like a fish, symbolize luck, happiness, and prosperity. Takoyaki is carefully flipped using specialized half-sphere griddles to achieve perfect roundness. Yakitori is seasoned either with tare sauce or simple salt, enhancing the natural flavor of the meat. Street snacks are visually appealing, often garnished with bonito flakes, colorful sauces, and creative toppings. Festivals and street markets create lively social environments where locals and tourists experience these snacks together, strengthening community bonds. Cultural importance. Street snacks reflect Japan's love for social eating, convenience, and regional creativity. Eating at a yate encourages interaction and shared enjoyment, providing both nourishment and a cultural experience. These snacks are not merely food, they celebrate tradition, innovation, and community spirit, showing how Japanese cuisine can be playful, practical, and deeply rooted in heritage all at once. Japanese street snacks are perfect bites for explorers, festival goers, and food lovers. Fun, colorful, and delicious, they offer more than taste, they're a cultural experience. Each bite, from the savory takoyaki to the sweet taiyaki and smoky yakitori, is a mini culinary adventure, blending flavor, texture, tradition, and community spirit. Street snacks are small in size but rich in history, creativity, and joy, making them an essential part of Japan's food landscape. Seventh delicious food is omakase. Omakase is a pinnacle of Japanese fine dining, where each meal is a chef-curated journey. Unlike ordering from a menu, diners leave their experience entirely in the hands of the chef, trusting them to select the freshest, most seasonal ingredients and present them in a sequence that tells a story through flavor, texture, and visual beauty. Each course is meticulously prepared, balancing taste, color, aroma, and temperature to create a harmonious dining experience. Omakase often includes 10 to 20 small dishes, each designed to delight the senses and guide the diner through a carefully curated progression. From delicate sashimi to expertly grilled fish, seasonal vegetables, and unique garnishes, every plate reflects artistry, precision, and respect for the ingredients. The experience is immersive. Diners witness the chef's skill in real time, see knife techniques, plating artistry, and sometimes even subtle theatrical touches that enhance the storytelling. History. The term omakase translates to "I leave it to you," reflecting complete trust in the chef's expertise. This style of dining emerged in Japanese sushi restaurants in the 20th century, where patrons sought a more intimate and curated experience than a standard menu could offer. Over time, omakase became a refined culinary tradition, emphasizing seasonality, craftsmanship, and the delicate balance of flavors. Today, omakase menus represent the highest form of respect for ingredients, culinary artistry, and the cultural value of dining as an experience rather than mere consumption. Fun facts. Omakase meals often feature 10 to 20 small, intricate dishes, each thoughtfully sequenced. The experience is as much about presentation, storytelling, and interaction with the chef as it is about taste. Chefs carefully choose ingredients based on seasonality, freshness, and regional specialty, ensuring each meal is unique. Some courses may include rare or unusual ingredients, reflecting the chef's creativity and skill. Dining omakase often includes elements of visual and sensory theater, such as precise plating, steam rising from warm dishes, or interactive preparation in front of guests. Guests are encouraged to savor each bite slowly, appreciating the subtle contrasts of flavor, texture, and aroma. Cultural importance. Omakase embodies the Japanese values of respect for ingredients, patience, attention to detail, and harmony with seasons. It is a celebration of the chef's skill and artistry, emphasizing that food is not just sustenance but an immersive cultural and sensory experience. Diners learn to appreciate not just taste, but the story behind each ingredient, the sequence of flavors, and the care that goes into every plate. Omakase represents a philosophy of dining where trust, mindfulness, and culinary mastery converge. Every omakase course is a surprise, an edible work of art that engages the senses and celebrates Japanese culinary tradition. From the first delicate bite to the final course, it is a journey through flavor, texture, seasonality, and craftsmanship. The experience highlights precision, creativity, and deep respect for ingredients, leaving diners with lasting memories and a profound appreciation for Japanese fine dining. Sixth delicious food is tempura. Tempura, light, golden, and crisp, is one of Japan's most iconic culinary creations. It transforms simple ingredients like shrimp, squid, sweet potato, pumpkin, and green beans into delicate, airy bites of perfection. The magic lies in the balance: a thin, icy cold batter made of flour, egg, and water, fried in hot oil just long enough to create that signature crunch while keeping the inside tender and flavorful. Each piece of tempura is cooked individually, ensuring precision and temperature control. The result is food that's crisp yet never oily, light yet satisfying. Often served with a tentesu dipping sauce, a blend of soy sauce, dashi, and mirin along with grated daikon, it creates a subtle harmony between texture and taste. The dish is a true reflection of Japanese minimalism, doing more with less, celebrating freshness, and elevating simplicity into an art form. Tempura's journey began in the 16th century, when Portuguese traders and missionaries arrived in Japan and introduced a method of deep frying foods during Lent, known as peixinhos da horta. The Japanese adapted this technique with their characteristic precision, using lighter batters and refined frying techniques. Over centuries, tempura evolved from a foreign import into a culinary masterpiece deeply integrated into Japanese culture. By the Edo period, tempura stalls lined the streets of Tokyo, offering freshly fried bites to busy passers-by. What was once a street snack gradually found its way into fine dining kaiseki menus, where chefs elevated it into an elegant and artistic expression of Japanese cuisine. Today, whether served at humble street stalls or Michelin-star restaurants, tempura continues to represent craftsmanship, timing, and respect for ingredients. Fun facts: tempura batter is never overmixed. The secret lies in leaving small lumps of flour to keep it light and airy. Ice-cold water prevents gluten formation, which ensures crispness. Each ingredient is fried at a specific temperature and duration, depending on its moisture and density. In high-end tempura restaurants, chefs use sesame or cottonseed oil for their light aroma and flavor. Traditionally paired with tentesu sauce, but also enjoyed with a sprinkle of sea salt or freshly grated daikon. The sound of frying, that gentle sizzle, is considered part of the experience, symbolizing balance and calm. Some master chefs train for years to perfect the timing of dipping, frying, and serving because even a few seconds can change the texture. Cultural importance: tempura perfectly captures the essence of Japanese culinary philosophy, balance, simplicity, and respect for nature. Every bite is a lesson in timing and focus. Chefs emphasize seasonal ingredients, ensuring that the vegetables and seafood used are at their absolute peak. The dish celebrates Japan's deep appreciation for subtle flavors rather than heavy seasoning, allowing the natural sweetness of ingredients to shine through the delicate crisp layer. It also represents the fusion of cultures, a dish born from foreign influence, yet perfected into something uniquely Japanese. Tempura reminds diners that true beauty often lies in restraint, precision, and respect for every step in the cooking process. Tempura may seem simple, but it's a culinary art of patience and precision. Each bite, crispy outside, tender inside, tells a story of centuries of refinement and dedication. From humble beginnings to becoming a symbol of Japanese dining, tempura is proof that even the simplest ingredients can become extraordinary when treated with care and mastery. A dish that delights the senses, crispy, golden, and unforgettable. Fifth delicious food is matcha desserts. From soft-serve ice creams to layered cakes, parfaits, mochi, and even creamy lattes, matcha desserts are a mesmerizing blend of flavor, color, and calm. Their signature earthy green hue and slightly bittersweet taste make every bite an experience that awakens both the senses and the soul. Matcha, finely ground powder made from specially grown green tea leaves, is known not only for its taste but also for its rich antioxidants and calming properties. Every matcha dessert captures the essence of wabi-sabi, the Japanese philosophy of finding beauty in simplicity and imperfection. A simple matcha cheesecake or dafuku can evoke serenity, while a matcha parfait layers flavors like red bean, mochi, and soft cream, representing the harmony of contrasts. Whether enjoyed in a tranquil Kyoto tea house or a modern Tokyo cafe, matcha desserts are a peaceful pause, a moment to slow down and savor the balance of nature and artistry. History. The story of matcha begins nearly 1,000 years ago, when Zen Buddhist monks brought tea seeds from China to Japan during the Kamakura period. Over time, Japan refined its cultivation methods, leading to the creation of tencha, the shaded tea leaves used to make matcha. By the 12th century, matcha had become a symbol of purity and mindfulness, central to the Japanese tea ceremony, Chanoyu, a meditative ritual focused on harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Modern matcha desserts, however, emerged in the 20th century, when pastry chefs began blending traditional tea culture with contemporary confectionery. From Kyoto to Osaka, local patisseries started using matcha in cakes, puddings, and ice creams, transforming a sacred tea into a modern delicacy loved by all generations. Today, Japan's matcha trend has gone global, inspiring desserts and drinks in cafes around the world. Fun facts. Matcha consumption in Japan has doubled in the past decade, thanks to global interest in wellness and Japanese aesthetics. The powder is made using stone grinders, producing a texture 10 times finer than normal green tea. True ceremonial grade matcha glows with a vivid emerald color, the mark of quality and care in cultivation. A single teaspoon of matcha contains the nutrients of 10 cups of brewed green tea. Matcha desserts are often combined with anko, sweet red bean paste, kinko, roasted soybean flour, or mochi, creating layers of flavor and texture. In Japan, matcha-flavored Kit Kats are one of the most popular souvenirs for tourists, a fun, modern twist on tradition. Cultural importance. Matcha holds a deep spiritual significance in Japanese culture, a symbol of mindfulness, balance, and connection. Every matcha dessert reflects these same values: the balance between sweetness and bitterness, the contrast of creamy and earthy, and the artistry in presentation. The green color signifies harmony with nature, while the act of consuming matcha-based treats encourages calmness in the middle of a fast-paced world. For the Japanese, matcha isn't just an ingredient, it's a ritual, a pause, a breath. Incorporating it into desserts bridges ancient tradition and modern creativity, reminding people that even in indulgence, there can be serenity. Every matcha dessert is a bite of Japan's soul, blending centuries-old ritual with modern artistry. From the first bitter note to the sweet finish, each spoonful carries a sense of mindfulness and calm. It's not just a flavor, it's a feeling, a taste of peace, balance, and beauty in its purest form. Fourth delicious food is okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki, often called the Japanese savory pancake, is a dish that captures Japan's creativity, comfort, and flavor in one sizzling masterpiece. It's made with a batter of flour, eggs, shredded cabbage, and dashi broth, then filled with your choice of ingredients from tender pork belly to shrimp, squid, or even cheese. As it cooks on a hot griddle, the aromas rise and mix, smoky, savory, irresistible. Once golden and crisp, it's topped with tangy okonomiyaki sauce, a drizzle of creamy Japanese mayo, a sprinkle of aonori seaweed, and finally, thin bonito flakes that dance in the heat, making the dish come alive before your eyes. Each bite is a blend of crunch, softness, and umami perfection. Okonomiyaki isn't just food, it's an experience. It's cooked fresh in front of you, sometimes even by you, bringing people together around the grill, laughing, flipping, and sharing bites straight off the teppan, iron plate. History. The roots of okonomiyaki trace back to pre-war Japan, but it gained true popularity after World War II, when rice was scarce and creative cooking was essential. Flour-based recipes like these became comfort food for families, especially in Osaka and Hiroshima, where locals crafted their own unique versions. In Osaka, often called the kitchen of Japan, ingredients are mixed together into a single batter before grilling, a style that represents the city's lively, community-driven culture. In Hiroshima, the dish takes a layered form, starting with a crepe base, cabbage, noodles, and toppings stacked with precision. Each region proudly claims its version as the best, and both are equally delicious. The name itself tells the story. Okonomi means as you like, and yaki means grill, a perfect reflection of Japan's spirit of customization, creativity, and joy in sharing food. Fun facts: there are more than 30 regional variations of okonomiyaki across Japan, each with its own flair. In Osaka, restaurants often provide diners with spatulas to cook and serve themselves, creating a social, hands-on dining vibe. In Hiroshima style, the addition of yakisoba noodles adds extra layers of flavor and heartiness. The signature dancing bonito flakes, katsubushi, move because of the heat waves, a sight that fascinates tourists and locals alike. There's even an okonomiyaki museum in Hiroshima, celebrating its rich local legacy. The dish's popularity has spread worldwide, with okonomiyaki now served in fusion restaurants from New York to Paris. Cultural importance: okonomiyaki is more than just a meal, it's a symbol of togetherness. It reflects Japan's culinary ingenuity and regional diversity, bringing people to the table to share not only food but also laughter and creativity. In Osaka, families gather around the grill to make okonomiyaki together. Everyone adds their favorite ingredients, creating a dish that's personal and communal at once. In Hiroshima, it's a proud emblem of the city's post-war rebirth and resilience. Every sizzle on the griddle tells a story of tradition, unity, and joy. From the satisfying sizzle to the dancing bonito flakes, okonomiyaki is Japan's most interactive comfort food, flavorful, hearty, and endlessly customizable. It's where culture meets creativity, and every bite feels like home. Whether you are flipping it yourself or watching a chef's perfect timing, the experience is as unforgettable as the taste, a festival of flavor on a plate. Third delicious food is takoyaki, 28, 40, 35, 10. Takoyaki, small, golden brown balls filled with diced octopus, are one of Japan's most iconic street foods, combining crunch, softness, and flavor in every bite. The batter is made from flour, eggs, and dashi broth, then poured into special round molds. As the mixture sizzles, the chef quickly adds pieces of tender octopus, pickled ginger, and green onions before skillfully turning each ball with thin metal sticks, a mesmerizing rhythm known as the takoyaki dance. Fresh off the grill, takoyaki are brushed with a sweet savory sauce, drizzled with creamy Japanese mayo, sprinkled with aonori seaweed, and topped with delicate bonito flakes that wave with the rising steam. The outside is crisp, the inside molten and soft, the perfect contrast that makes takoyaki so addictive. These bite-sized delights are not just snacks, they're a moment of warmth and fun, shared among friends, families, and festival crowds under glowing lanterns. History: takoyaki was first created in Osaka in 1935 by a street vendor named Tomekichi Endo, who was inspired by similar dumpling-style snacks like akashiyaki. Over time, takoyaki evolved to become Osaka's most beloved comfort food, symbolizing the city's creativity and spirit. Osaka, often called the nation's kitchen, became the birthplace of many Japanese food innovations, and takoyaki was its crown jewel. By the 1950s, electric takoyaki grills were invented, allowing this delicious snack to spread rapidly across Japan. Today, takoyaki stalls can be found in every city, from Tokyo's bustling Shibuya to Kyoto's traditional markets, but Osaka remains its true home. Fun facts. The first electric takoyaki grill was invented in the 1930s, revolutionizing Japan's street food scene. The word taco means octopus and yaki means grilled, literally, grilled octopus. A skilled takoyaki chef can flip up to 100 balls per minute during peak hours at festivals. You can even find takoyaki-themed cafes in Osaka, serving creative versions like cheese-stuffed or shrimp-filled variations. Bonito flakes used on top are so thin that they dance from the heat, mesmerizing passers-by. In Japan, takoyaki is often enjoyed with beer or green tea during hanabi, fireworks, festivals, symbolizing joy and connection. Cultural importance. Takoyaki embodies Japan's street food culture, fast, fun, flavorful, and deeply social. It's not eaten in silence but shared in moments of laughter, conversation, and celebration. Street stalls, called yate, line the pathways during summer festivals, their sizzling aroma filling the air as people gather to enjoy the warmth of freshly grilled takoyaki. In Osaka, locals take pride in their takoyaki making skills. Families even own home grills for weekend gatherings. The act of cooking together, flipping the balls, and sharing them hot off the pan turns takoyaki into an experience of community. More than food, it represents togetherness, creativity, and joy, a flavorful expression of Japan's friendly and festive spirit. From the first sizzle on the grill to the moment those dancing bonito flakes settle on top, takoyaki captures the soul of Japanese street life, vibrant, warm, and endlessly delicious. Crispy outside, soft inside, each bite is a memory of Osaka's laughter-filled streets and festive nights. A must-try for every traveler, simple, soulful, and unforgettable. Second delicious food, ramen. Warm, flavorful, and deeply comforting, ramen is Japan's ultimate soul food. Springy noodles, rich broth, soft-boiled eggs, and tender pork come together in one perfect bond. Originating from China but perfected in Japan, ramen evolved after World War II into a symbol of comfort and creativity, with each region offering its own twist, from Sapporo's miso ramen to Fukuoka's creamy tonkotsu. Did you know Japan has over 30,000 ramen shops? And slurping loudly actually shows appreciation to the chef. Fish cake with swirl design. It's more than just noodles, it's warmth, community, and culture in a single ball. Because in Japan, ramen isn't fast food, it's soul food. Heavy black heart. First delicious food, sushi. Sushi, delicate slices of fresh fish on perfectly seasoned rice, sometimes garnished with nori, roe, or a hint of wasabi, is Japan's iconic culinary art. Each piece showcases precision, craftsmanship, and respect for ingredients. Sushi evolved from a Southeast Asian preservation method into an art form in Japan. By the 19th century, nigiri sushi became popular in Edo, modern Tokyo, emphasizing freshness, simplicity, and presentation. Fun fact, some Wagyu sushi pieces sell for over $200, and the word sushi actually refers to the rice, not the fish. Every bite is a harmony of flavor and artistry, light, delicate, and unforgettable. Truly Japan on a plate. Sushi. So that was the end of episode 21 of Dynamic Expeditions. Fork and Knife Globe with Asia Australia. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible dishes from Japan, let us know in the comments which one made your mouth water the most. Drooling face. I, Aditya, will pin the most interesting comment. Push pin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us on more delicious adventures. Share this video with your friends and family too, because great food is meant to be shared. Sushi Sparkles. Got any favorite dishes or secret food spots you think we should feature next? Drop them in the comments. The idea with the most likes could appear in our next episode. Steaming bowl. Until then, keep exploring, keep tasting. Because we'll be back soon with episode 22, featuring even more adventures and activities from around the world. Globe showing America's sparkles. Until then, keep exploring, keep tasting, and stay part of the Dynamic Expeditions family. Globe showing Europe, Africa, fork and knife. Stay tuned and keep watching for more culinary journeys.